Hey everyone, in this video I want to do a tutorial about technical indicator. This is a Kettler channel using 20 and the 3 standard deviation. I want to do this with the Python, do pip install Yahoo Finance Mat. I'm going to use matplotlib for this tutorial, and NumPy and space. So let's call it KC dot from Yahoo Finance. Then we are going to calculate EMA, and then we're gonna use a linear regression. And then we're gonna plot, import NumPy SNP, stats. We're gonna download data with the ticker and the period. Let's give it a 1 year. Called stock finance ticker with ticker return stock history. We're going to define calculate EMA, and in order to calculate we need data and EMA period. Okay, here's our price channel. I hope you find this helpful. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.